Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Programming with a Purpose. This is the last part in navigation series in which I am going to show you how we can use tab view to create multiple views and tab it at the bottom of the screen for easy access. So here I am going to add a dummy new view with the name of restaurants view. So select SwiftUI view, enter the view name and then press create. And next I'm going to tab it with my all recipe view that I have created in the previous part of the navigation series. So TabView is usually used where we have views that are frequently accessed by users inside an app and mostly they are independent of each other. You may basically create a home view that is a composition of a different type of subviews from your frequently accessed views, but generally we have like independent views inside the tabbed view. So here I am creating a text and I renaming the restaurants as restaurants view, also renaming the file. So basically I have just added a text to show you that when we are going to click it, how it's going to be displayed inside a tab view. So I'm going back to my content view where we have the previous all recipes view. I'm going to add here a tab view. So this is the Apple developer documentation that shows you how you can use tab view. So I am copying the code from there. I am writing here all recipes view and then I'm going to add a tab item. And what we can add there, I'm going to copy from the Apple developer website. I'm going to check it again. It is going to contain a label and a system name, which is going to be a system image. So this is basically, you can simply copy paste this line and change it according to your needs. So here I'll be creating two tabbed items and then I'm going to play it and show you in simulator. And also you can look into the preview how the view looks like. I have also created previously a video about the animation of the tab bar in my animation series. I'm also going to attach the link here so that you can basically see how you can create a custom bar and how you can basically animate it. Go and do check out that video as well when you are working with tab views. So here I'll be adding the other view, which is restaurants view with the tab item, and I'm getting the system image from SF symbols. So here I'm going to access the SF symbols again and I'm going to copy name of one of the item which I like to place here as an icon. So this is how it's going to look like. So let's play the code inside the simulator. So here I'm waiting for the app launch. So this is how the all recipes view is going to look like and this is how the restaurants view is going to look like. Now we are going to click on the recipe and see how the bottom view that we have previously created, how it's going to look like. I'm scrolling the view. You can basically limit it above the tab bar. So the bottom view is a slightly below a certain range because we have ignored the safe areas when creating this bottom view. This draggable view, it is going to be dragged. Upward drag is fine, but the bottom location is not good. For that, we need to basically change the safe area dimensions code and add some padding or remove some padding depending upon the needs of our situation. So there is a issue on line number 66. I'm going to basically remove it and I'm going to add here some padding and let's see how it works. So basically this is the point where you need to play around with the code to change the look so that the bottom drawer that you have created previously, it looks fine and it adjusts with the tab view. So to give you a little bit of an idea, you can see here that the bottom drawer is extended perfectly, but the padding is a lot, which means that we need to remove the padding because 100 is not that much a padding. So the bottom view will come down. Let's see here, it is a bit better. but it's still an issue when we are basically extending it, so you can write some code to adjust it according to the height of the screen that is basically before and after dragging. So this is all. Do not forget to like and share this video, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.